Alright, so it's breadboard cable tester project time. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my negative of my battery, plug it in the first blue terminal, and then plug the positive into the other opposite end red terminal. Then I've got a resistor, and I'm going to take that out of this blue terminal, and I'm going to plug that into A5 or 5A. Next, it's time to start connecting the cables. So I'm going to start with the tip, which is going to come out of here, out of 5C, I think. And then I'm going to go to this other tip, where are you at? Which is going to go, I'm going to put it in 10F. And then I'm going to go out of that with the ring 10H and go into 15A with the ring. Then out of 15 with the sleeve down to 20 with the other sleeve. And then I'm just going to take my LED here, go out of 20 into the red, and I don't know if you can see that. It's lighting up. There you go. You can see that, right? So what I did was I took the positive of the battery and put it in the first blue little breadboard slot. Then I went out of the second blue breadboard slot into 5A or A5. And then from there everything goes over to C5 for the tip, and then it goes through the cable over to, where did I plug you in? Over to F10, and then I went and took the ring from H10 over to A15, then out of C15 over to F20, and then out of H20 into the right side. And plug it. It stops working. When I plug it back in, it works again. And so that's where all the electrons are flowing and how it's all working out.